How's it going, everyone? Getting a couple things squared away here so my computer does not crash. You guys hear me okay? So Bitcoin's pushing, huh? What's up, Joel Lee, OG Jerry with his Litecoin? What's up, John, Nicole? How's it going? Flip Coins, how's it going, man? Nowak, hello, how's it going? How you guys doing today? BTC's trying to push here, huh? Let me see. All right, volume is good. Looking at Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart here. It looks good on the overall where we've been watching it, of course. If I get this to work right. We've been watching this large bull flag pattern, and it's clearly breaking out here. One last high to break. But yeah, we've been mentioning this. Looks like turbo broke out, so maybe it's going to pull a turbo here, make a new high, and then come back down for a little bit. What is that price to beat? $73.7. All right, so Bitcoin's trying to go. All right, let me go back over to the chat. I think at 60%, we will start to see the alts trying to catch up. What's up, Dennis? How's it going? Yeah, I agree, Dennis. Good to see something going on. I don't think it's going to go straight up right now, but we are getting a nice pump. It would be nice to see it hit a new high. But as we've been saying, the altcoins aren't going anywhere until the dominance falls, which the dominance is still going vertical. It's almost at 60%, right on the doorstep. Yep. That's what I said last night in the stream. Maybe the dominance comes all the way up here, and then that's where it falls. And then alt season begins. Could be the case. Did base really take off? Are you talking about alien base? I just pulled up Dex Screener. Yeah, I was going to do an update on alien base, but I didn't get around to it this morning. Yeah, let's go here. All right, alien base, is it still running? My soul already pumped a little bit, but it's still not really doing anything. LB to the moon. Let's see here. I'm trying to get my stuff fixed. Yeah, alien base looks good. Wow. Yeah, alien base is going to the moon right now. So alien base here, you know what? Maybe I need to just redo the whole chart. Let's see where this thing's headed to. Can I delete everything on here? Oh, there we go. Just let me see here. So you guys making any money right now? Is there anything moving besides ALB and Bitcoin, I guess? Yeah, I guess you could say it's respecting this. It got over the 1618, and that's where it's been bouncing. And it's headed toward, it looks like 34.5 pennies. And then another one on ALB. That high to the low. Let's see if there's anything. All right, if we draw this one, let's get the other one off. All right, by going by this one, you can see it's getting stuck right now at the 1272 new high at 19. So if you can push through 19 on alien base, then the next stop is 23, another 22% move up, and then the 1618, 59% move to 30. So 19 and then 23 and then 30. And then if it breaks through 30, it's going to have a huge rally to the upside here. Not bad. Alien base. He says he's talk testing and driving. Be careful, man. What's up, Patrick? We hope so. Hopefully BTC makes a new all-time high today. That would be a good step in the right direction there. PNG, GFI. What's up, Yosef? We up this morning. Let's go. Yep. You think Index Coop and Aventus is about to run with PNG? Yeah, I think if PNG runs, then IOS is going to run, and then all of those coins should start moving. But we're looking on Dex Screener right now. Where are we at? But yeah, alien base looks really good. It's getting stuck right now at resistance at 19. What are the other coins doing? There's nothing moving, huh? What are the Solana coins doing? I just saw on my phone that Sol Ordi was moving, but it didn't move much. Oh, we got the breakout. Sol Ordi's trying to break out here. It did break out. Let me move that. What is that on there? All right, Sol Ordi's finally breaking out here. That's what I like to see. I'm just going to hold until it pumps up to some of these higher levels. Let's go see what the other coins are doing. But yeah, the dominance is pushing. It's almost at 60. GFI still going to 0. Oh, wrong list. Or did GFI recover? GFI recovered. It's back over that 166 I was pointing out. So that could have been it. It needs to hold 166. PNG, what is PNG up to? Yeah, PNG's got a little move going. I really got to get this marker off. Yeah, it's trying to move now, but it's got to get over 30. But yeah, I think when all these start moving, they'll run together. No, not PNG. You said Aventus. What is Aventus doing? Yeah, Aventus is still just consolidating, not doing anything. Yeah, but I think all these Coinbase coins are going to start running together. But now is the time to be buying in, not financial advice, of course. Especially if BTC breaks the high. Got anything going on here? Yeah, so who here is in on alien base? You got to be happy right now. We got flip coins for 10. He says thanks. I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot, man. Yeah, GFI is bouncing back. Flip coins for the win here. Yosef says Degen, Atlas, Navy, Deep Book. I'm up. Okay, you're up on all those. I was gonna look at Star. Is that Star Atlas? I was gonna look at Star Atlas last night, but I forgot. I haven't looked at Star Atlas in a while. Star Atlas, or did we look at it last night? Yeah, Star Atlas is another good one that's down here below the macro 236, forming a very bullish falling wedge pattern. Strong move up, looks good. Yeah, Star Atlas is about to take off. At least over the 236 probably. Just down below the 382 here, or right at it at 26. And it's got the structure. Yeah, I think a lot of things are about to spike up. I don't see why things would start breaking down. Everything has this bullish setup. Bullish patterns and bullish setups all over the place. Oh, Joel says he has ALB. Yeah, it is crushing it. Alien base decks on base up 65% on the day. Yep. Looks good, man. Okay, I just wanted to look at Star Atlas. I don't think we've ever looked at Deep Book. Navi. Are those meme coins? Deep Book and Navi. I don't think we've ever covered those. This Atlas Navi or Navi. Oh, it's all the same thing. Yeah, we've never looked at this coin. I don't know what this is. If it's the right one. No memes. Okay, yeah. Joel says, thanks for always keeping us up on the map. Yeah, we've been covering ALB for a good while. It's finally good to see it start moving. But it's crazy how we looked at it on that one live stream, and then I drew that large pattern, and I said it's even more bullish than we think, and then it just took off. That's crazy. But let me know if Bitcoin breaks the high. Someone say. That way I can go look at it. That would be nice if it did. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck again and come all the way back down to 65K and lower. Deep Book. I don't know if this is the right one of these, but Deep Book. Deep Book. Mexi. Oh, wow. Deep Book to the moon, and it's pumping again. Yeah, high to the low. It's back over the 3.2. As long as you're over 5, this thing's bullish, and you need to push through 5.7, and it's going to continue to run. And then once you get over 6.4, 6.18, you can see downtrend here. Once you get over the 618, this thing's potentially going to break out again. But yeah, you can see here, strong move up, and then it clearly formed bullish continuation pattern, and then went to the moon again. You still holding deep book? That's what you said? Yeah, you can see the downtrend's right here at that 0.5. So it has to stay over 5, and it has to get over 5.7, and then it's going to break out again. Not looking too bad. And a new high would take you up 130%, 135% to 12.8. Not bad. Joel with the super sticker. I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. I appreciate the support from all you guys out there. Yosef says I'm up in DGen 25%. Is DGen bouncing? I should go look at crypto bubbles, I guess, to see what's moving. We looked at GFI, DGen. We just covered DGen. And Myro. Myro's about to break out. I don't know if you guys watched the video. What are we looking at here on DGen? Oh, we're on the 12-hour. Oh yeah, DGen did hold. Low to the high, 382 held. Didn't break down and come below, so we can get that off. Well, not that, but it held. It's back over the 382 and the 236 here. Looks good. You're back to being bullish over 8. Next price to beat is 1 penny. Over 1 penny, then it's potentially going to make a new high and hit the 618 here. 95% move. But this is what you always want to see on a chart. The move up, the higher highs, higher lows, of course. But when you pull back like this and you're holding support that we just went over, but clearly you formed a bullish pattern here. Little bull flag here, so it's about to break out again. So yeah, DGen looks good here. Little bull flag pattern. Depending on where you draw this at, of course, which the measured moves never really play out, but it's nice to look at them and dream. We saw the same thing with Turbo and a lot of things. The measured moves usually don't ever play out, but sometimes they do. Depends on what it is, I guess. But yeah, another one, DGen here, looks bullish. It's about to move. DGen to the moon. Myro's about to pump. I don't know. We've been saying this for a while, it seems like. Everything we're looking at, the bottom's being put in. Everything's turning bullish, forming patterns, and things are going. You're holding until next summer. Good deal. Yeah, I see there's a lot of people calling for an early cycle for some reason. There's a lot of people with the 4-year cycle. That's pretty much the camp I'm in. And I don't know. I think we're going to get a nice, decent pump out of BTC soon. New high, and then we're going to come back and consolidate for a while. And then the real market doesn't start until next year. Patrick says, can we look at carrots? Yes, we can. I just covered carrot, I think. Carrot to the moon. Carrot, I think, was coming down still. Maybe it recovered. Yeah, it did recover. So it needs to break this structure here. That's what I pointed out last time. It's over the 382 high to the low, so you're bullish over 47. You can see clearly the price to beat is 57. If it can get over 57, then it runs the chance of breaking this structure here. The lower highs, of course. But we pointed this out, or I pointed this out in the update, that the lower high there, the fact that you broke this uptrend you had, you're back testing it right now, so you have to get over 57, break back above this. If not, off of the structure here, even though your higher lows are in play, this could force the price to come down, of course. So I would keep it that simple. As long as you hold 47, you run the chance, or I don't know why I keep saying that, you have the chance of getting over 57 here. Those are your two prices to watch right now. If it breaks below 47, then yes, it's coming down. But it looks good right now. The market's kind of moving. So 15% drop, and if you take it out, 33% drop. So hopefully BTC continues to push here. I don't know what it's at now. And then Carrot, yeah, Carrot's going to be a good play. 1618, 6.5x, a new high, which is very possible. 3.5x up to $2 would be a good target if you were looking for a good solid 3x play. 3 to 4x. And then if you think it's going to hit $1 billion market cap, 18.5x up to 1050. It is on Coinbase, so we'll see what happens. But that's a large move for it from where it is right now. Joey, how's it going? Joey's in the house. Do we have a price prediction for XDC? I don't know. I know we've looked at it before. I don't know when the last time we looked at it is. XDC network. Oh, it's got a little move going on also. Oh, we looked at it recently, apparently. Because I didn't used to use these yellow lines. It looks good. You said price prediction. But it's holding the uptrend. It's holding our level here. I would imagine that's a low to the high, 618 or 786 support. But yeah, it's holding up good. Higher highs, higher lows. It's curling up here. Potential double bottom W pattern with a higher low in play. Bullish over 4.7. Bottom is confirmed in over 3.4. But yeah, I'll get to the higher prices in just a moment. If we go high to the low, depending on where you want to draw this at, you can see that one's above that other one. But if we want a smaller one to watch, we'll go all the way down to that high to that low. So high to the low, it's back over the 0.5. Yeah, I mean, it looks good right here. If we draw it to that high to the low, it's right above the 236. So if you want to go by that one, which you can clearly see there's support here, and you're back over that level. So bottom potentially is confirmed in over 2.7 here. You're at 2.8. And with that being said, do we have market caps on this one? I would imagine we do. Yeah, we do. All right, so if this thing comes up from where it is today, 618 retracement, that is about a 3x almost, 190% move up to 8. 786 retracement, all the way up here, a little over a 4x, 1.8 billion market cap to 12 pennies. And then if this thing is going to hit a new high, I don't know where you can buy this one at or what it does, but a moonshot, 5.3 billion market cap, new high 36, and a 12.5, almost a 13x on this one. I don't know what the market cap is right now, but a 1.8 billion market cap is probably very feasible. 12 pennies, solid 4.5x. And if it goes higher, congratulations. Hold on, my phone is beeping. Let me turn this off. Okay. What's up, Eric? Yeah, we just looked at PNG. PNG's still looking okay. I mean, looking good. It still hasn't broke out. It needs to get over 30, and it is pumping right now, but it needs to get over 30. If it gets over 30, then there's a huge breakout potential in play. Joseph says using them to earn interest through the bear market or the bear season. You've been hearing we might have a 2 bull run. What you mean by that? Like a double top like last time? Yeah, no problem, Joey. I appreciate you being here. Block Monster, how's it going? Yeah, I saw you commented on a video, or the last one. You can't make it. First time in the live stream. You've helped me grow so much. This is my first real bull cycle, and I'm hyped for it. I love what you do. I appreciate the words. I appreciate you being here. Glad you finally made it, man. Yeah, that's... Oh, a 2-year bull cycle? I haven't heard that. That would be nice, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm just hoping for a half a year bull cycle next year from spring to November. But yeah, let's see. Someone said something on Deck Screener. I don't remember what you said though, but yeah, we went over P&G. It looks good. Everything looks good right now. Everything's curling up and just looks good to me. He said Mary. Let's go back over the Deck Screener for just a moment. Yeah. Quit calling me. My phone rings all day long, voicemails all day long with bill collectors. It's very annoying. All right, Deck Screener to the moon. We're gonna look at some. Oh yeah, we looked at Soul Ordi's finally breaking out. Yeah, man, I need Soul Ordi to go already. I'm gonna get left behind. Come on, pump. That's my biggest fear, is getting left behind and missing the cycle. That's gonna be so heartbreaking. Mary, mystery to the moon. This thing is still not doing anything. It's still sitting here where we looked at it last time. Oh no, it did pump up a little bit. So we'll adjust our measurement tool, high to the low, broke the downtrend. It's back above the 0.5. Getting stuck right now at the 618, so it needs to get over 3.3. But overall, it's curling up here. Higher highs, higher lows. It looks good. It looks primed and ready like everything else. It's like everything's like tensed up right now. Everything's right at that point to where they just need to go. They need some relief. There's too much pressure building up here. Yep, too much pressure. We need to get things pumping already. Good pump before next year, and then we'll consolidate, be happy with our gains, buy some more stuff, and then when the real bull run hits, we all go to the moon. That's the ideal scenario. But this thing, once it breaks through the 618, 5.5, close to a 6x, would be the next stop at 3017. But yeah, Mary looks good here. Not bad. Have we ever looked at Moonwell? Yeah, I just covered Moonwell on the channel. I just put an update out. Moonwell's getting stuck at the 618 right now, but it looks good. It's still bullish. It needs to push through that 10.4 or 10.8. I can't remember what it was. It needs to push through the 618. But yeah, I just made an update for it like 30 minutes ago. Waiting for some last buy-ins, yeah. That's where we are. That's where we've been for a couple of months now. It seems like for the last 6 months, we've been covering everything, hitting bottoms, and they're slowly consolidating and curling up. And now we're getting to that point to where the curl up needs to move. And some things are moving. Alien base pump, Moonwell's going to the moon, kinda. But yeah, we'll probably cover Moonwell again, Block Monster, because people come in here and ask for it all the time. Anything else on Deck Screener before I have to switch this back over? What did Speedy do? What are the Trump coins doing? Is there anything moving? Damn it, did we have this on non-log? I don't remember where we were watching it last time. High to the low. And move this one. Yeah, high to the low. It's right above the 0.5. Another one stuck right below the 618. So 2.7. That's your reversal from this downward move. And up she goes. So if this thing can hold over 2.4, 2.7 is the price to beat. New high would take you up 130% to 5.9. But yeah, Speedy's doesn't look bad either. Another one looks like it's getting ready to go again. Or go. Very bullish chart overall. Speedy. Let me go back over to the other. What's up, Hector? Thanks for all the info you provide. Not a problem. It's just entertainment, though. None of this is financial advice, of course. All right, let's go back over here, but I appreciate that. All right, so XDC, yeah, we went over that. So, yeah, Joseph has his plan in play. He's ready. Someone asked for FET yesterday, I believe. I would like to cover, I know there's millions of coins, but I would like to just cover every coin. Just to help get more subscribers to the channel. But that's a task in its own. Whoever's asking for FET looks good. It's still making macro higher highs and higher lows, still uptrend in play. It's over the 786 here. And from this bottom, higher highs, higher lows on the smaller time frame, it looks good. It's another one here that's potentially curling up to move. As long as you stay over $1.10. So when someone comes in here asking for FET, we're going to tell them to rewind. So as long as you're over 110, as long as you're curling up here, the next move up, next spike up is an 85% move to the top at 250. And then if you manage to blow through that, the next potential high is the 1272 at 7. 5x, a little over a 5x to a $17.6 billion market cap on FET here. And FET is the, yeah, they already got the name on here, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. They kept the ticker FET, but they changed it. FET to the moon. But yeah, whoever asked for PNG looks good. This is not the right chart. This is the old Gate.io chart, which could tell a different story, but we've been sticking with the good old trusty Coinbase chart lately. All right, let's go back and see what Bitcoin's doing. It's still right here. Still above 72. It needs to get above 73. Come on. Everyone pile into Bitcoin. Damn. Yeah, 73K is resistance. He says a new moon on the 1st of November, expect a pullback. Let's just at least get a pump first. A good one. Nicole says Sailor is about to 15x. What is Sailor? Team Salty says hee. Yeah, we'll go back over to Deck Screen in just a moment. Deck Screener. Yeah, Caspa doesn't look too great at the moment. But doesn't Caspa runs against Bitcoin, if I remember correctly, or someone said that. When Bitcoin goes up, Caspa goes down. When Bitcoin's doing nothing or going down, Caspa starts to go up. We'll look at Fox and Spell token. We just need this to continue going here. But you can see, even though that is resistance, this thing is finally broken. Depending on where we pull this to, it's finally breaking out of the bull flag pattern here. Right there, it's broke out already. It looks just like Turbo in my opinion. I think we're going to get a new high soon. Hopefully today, but very soon. But you guys want to look at Fox. Did whatever happened to Koval? I see it right there on the chart. Didn't it get delisted and it went to 0? Circuits of value. Whatever happened with that one? You said Fox, I believe. Is Fox still holding up? I know it pumped. Yeah, it's pulling back, but this is what we went over. Pretty much got stuck right at the 382 level there, which it did with this candle at 8.7, and now it's pulling back. So it's coming down to 4.7 probably, but what we can do, just zoom it in a little bit here and do simple low to the high. And if it falls below the 382, you're no longer bullish, which it's already below the 236. So it's probably done for now. But if it holds 5.8, it could get a bounce back up. But if not, it's probably going to come down low to the high, 618 retracement, which is right below that 236 here. So any lower than 5.8, then you're going to drop 23 to about 26, 27% if it doesn't immediately bounce at that level. But it had a nice little run there. And what that run did, break the downtrend, it got you over that macro 236 level. Simple back test, hold, and then we'll go up at that at some point in the future. Fox, and then where Fox is going, of course. We have the 618 retracement, 143 million, 3.5, close to a 4x, so not bad from where it is now. That will change if it comes all the way back down to the 236, of course. 786 retracement, 286 million, 7.5x. And like I said, those will change as it comes down. And then if you think Fox is going to hit a 2 billion market cap, the new high 350, 55.5, 56x from where it is today. 2 billion market cap. But you got to realize that's a huge move. Can it really hit that? Comes back down, you can see that turns into about a 73x. So these targets down here are more likely to get hit, and that would be your moonshot. So that's how we take it on all the things, you know, these targets to watch and then the moonshot gamble play. But, oh yeah, you said Spell. It's been a minute since I looked at Spell. Spell and H-bar. We'll go back to Deck Screener in just a moment. What time is it? Spell to the moon. We like Spell. I like Spell. If I ever make any money, I'm going to put some money in Spell with a lot of other tokens. Yeah, Spell's still holding the structure here. Hit that final support. If you ever wanted to buy Spell, this is it. In this consolidation period, it hit that low to the high final 786 support down here at 4.9. It's been going sideways ever since, getting stuck at the 618. So as long as you hold over this with the market structure, once you break over the 618, you lost your time to buy in, which I hope it stays down here. But yeah, Spell's another good one I think is going to have a decent run. And I'm not scared to sell at these levels, to be honest. I will be jeeting the whole way up. 382 retracement where it got stuck the last two times, 3.5x almost at 1.8. The bottom is confirmed in over 309, bullish over that 1.8, and then if it can make it over that, 0.5 retracement, a decent 5.5x to 003, 618 retracement, which is very possible, up to 005 would give you a 9.5x on Spell. And then the higher targets here, 1.5 billion market cap. If it can do a 786 retracement this cycle up to 1 penny and get stuck, I'll be happy with it. Decent, almost 20x. I would take that all day. And then a moonshot, 14 billion market cap, new high, 9 pennies, 1272, 167x. That's a huge move. Would be nice. That's why they're called moonshot dream gambles. There's no guarantee it's going to hit new highs. Spell. Are we really over 73K? Damn, we need to break through that. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, we are. I know the charts, all the charts have the same high, don't they? But yeah, look, we broke out of this pattern. We're breaking all of these highs. Well, I can get this one off the screen now. Wait, was that the fib? That might have been the fib. Yeah. I mean, the last high to break is this one here. Is it 73.7? No, it's not. All right, 73.777. Could that be it? This is what you call nitpicking at something. Damn, every time I zoom in, it gets further away. All right, that's good enough. Yeah, we're over 73K, not bad. And for you guys that are here that haven't seen this chart yet, this is why we're bullish on Bitcoin, or at least I am. Damn, I did not mean to move that. I should have locked it in place. But every time Bitcoin makes a move and forms a pattern, it tells you exactly, we're on the monthly, tells you exactly where the price is going to go to next. Bear flag, continuation pattern, fell off the table. Falling wedge pattern, it pumped, but then we had COVID, and then we went up to the highs, of course, formed a bear flag, fell off the table, continuation pattern, kept going down. Then we finally started to pump into a bullish continuation pattern here, and then this is where we are today in a bull flag pattern, and we're potentially breaking out here, or it is breaking out. And the measured move off of this takes you exactly up to the 2272 at 20 or 200K, as you can see here. But I know the first step is getting over this previous high here. But yeah, we're expecting a pump up and some consolidation, probably into something like this. We'll probably pump up here, form this pattern, and then when it's time, it's just going to go to the rest of the way to the moon here. Yeah. Yeah, that's words of wisdom right there. Could be. But we'll take it. I mean, if we break out and we make a new high, let the election come. But yeah, you're right. It's not going straight up right now. We got 36 people in here. How's it going, everyone? We got 4 people on X. How you guys doing over there? Is that a bear or a bull? I can't see. That's so small. Looks like a bear. I can't tell for Block Monster. It might be a bull. Nicole says Young Peasy. What's up, Nicholas? How's it going? Yeah, let's go back over to Deck Screener for a moment while BTC does its thing. I think I looked at everything you guys wanted to look at on this. I don't remember. Too many tabs open again. But yeah, how's everyone doing that's coming in here late? Is it really over 60 now? Let me get this up real quick. All right, Speedy we looked at. Wait, did you say Young Pezzy or Young Jezzy? I think it's Pezzy. Yeah, we looked at this one. Maybe it's not that one. No. I don't remember where the Pezzy chart is. Maybe we should just type in Young, huh? Young Pezzy. All right, I don't know where it is. Was that on ETH? Jasmine. Yeah, we'll go look at Jasmine. I can't find the Young Pezzy. We looked at it before, but I don't know what the hell it went. Because we should have a chart for it. There's so many of them. Let me go back to your comment. Young Pezzy. Yeah, I don't know where the hell it went. Because I know we looked at it, so it should have a chart. I don't know, maybe this is it. This looks familiar. Is this it? $157K market cap. 191 holders. This is probably not it. We'll come back to it. I think you guys are all lagging because the comments come in way late. Used car. What is used car doing? Used car to the moon. Yeah, used car is still holding up. Still holding over the 382. So you broke the downtrend. You're still bullish over that 13.5 level. It's holding up strong. It looks good here. Once you break over the 0.5 and the 618, to the moon she will go. And you're still looking from sitting over the 382, considered bullish. Yeah, this would be another good play here, especially when it was down in the downtrend. It's just a slight pullback, back test, holding, looks good. New high, you're looking at 39.5x on this thing. 38.5x maybe. Yeah, used car doesn't look bad at all. I'll get this off. It didn't quite pull back like we suspected, but it's holding. Holding up. That's what I need. I need a 30x on something. Pezzy is on base network. Okay. That's why I couldn't find it. But yeah, used car looks good. And it probably is a good spot to buy in if I had the money. Not financial advice, of course. Pezzy on base. Oh, so it's this one. Okay, see? I don't know why I didn't click on this one. I always forget about base coins. I don't know why, even though we cover alien base all the time. So this thing here, it's, let's see. All right, so it is holding right at the 786 retracement at 99. That's where you're at right now. Not going to be perfect, but ultimately it is holding up here. If you can hold this range, it really needs to break through, which I need to pull this up a little because it's not accurate. Let's see here now. Hold on. I'm making sure this is more accurate. All right, so that's accurate. Yeah, it looks good. What I see here on the chart, it is down below the 786 here at, we'll say 10.2 now. You're at 9.9, but you can see all of these candles, these 3-day candles are holding up here. Let's see if we go to the weekly. The fact that they're holding up here is good. And looking on this with the strong move up, it looks to be forming a bullish pattern here. So you had that wick high, and then you're making the lower highs there with the candles. So this could be in play here to where it's more bullish than you realize. Continuation pattern here. So if it stays up here around this level and doesn't drop back down to the 618 at 6.5, then you're going to hold this pattern, and this is a continuation up. So it may be getting ready to go again. Of course, you can see it could still chop around in this for another week or so. And then taking Pezzy here a step further. Low to the high. Yeah, okay, we're sitting right on the 236 here, so that's why you're sitting here at 9.0. So as long as you're above 9, you're still bullish. Keep it at that. Any lower than 9, then you're going to break this pattern and you're going to break down. So that's what I would say on that. And then the new potential targets for this thing, once it starts moving again, it's probably going to do a 3.5x up to 3.7. And then the next target after that is a 5.5x up to 5.4. But yeah, young Pezzy doesn't look bad there on base. Patrick says, can we check Maneki? Maneki to the moon. Narish says, ETHFI, please. What is that? ETHFI. Yeah, let's see if that's on Deck Screener, but he says Maneki. Maneki to the moon, yeah. Yeah, Maneki still looks good. Broke the downtrend. As we went over last time, it's sitting right above the 382. So even though it didn't pump as hard as like used car, it still looks good here. Broke the downtrend, and now it's sitting bullish over the 382 at 7.3. So as long as you hold that, it looks good off of all of these wicks. They're looking very bullish. Then I would say this thing's going to start moving at some point. As long as you hold over that price there. And then if this thing hits a new high, 5 pennies, is going to be a 6.5x for Maneki. So Maneki is sitting in the same spot. It's a 66 million market cap as used car. Used car to the new high is going to do a 33 or a 38x. So to put that into perspective, this one has 71,000 holders, 66 market cap, 15 million liquidity. And then what does used car have? Just trying to compare. If I had to choose which one to buy, that's what I'm looking at here. 4.8 million market cap, 11,000 holders. See, this one has a way lower market cap. It looks good. Yeah, I would choose used car over Maneki all day. This thing's going to run a lot harder. And you're going to get more for your money. Not financial advice, of course. Maneki, it may go way higher, but it's already, got a heavier market cap. But they're doing the same thing. Broke the downtrend. They're sitting on a 382. What is Honk up to? Honk. Is Bitcoin still getting stuck? I'm not over there. Honk. Honk's going to zero. All right, Honk pumped. 3.7 million market cap. Broke the downtrend. Came all the way up here. It is down below the 382 at the moment. So it's not bullish until it gets back over 44. But yet again, we're on the weekly. Let's go down to the 3-day. But Honk, let me go ahead and see something here. Let me draw low to the high. All right, so low to the high, you can see we're sitting right on the 382 here. So low to the high, you're still bullish holding up where you're holding. As long as you're holding over 3.8. And then with that being said, it may push soon right back through the macro 382 here. But let me get this off of the screen. So you're sitting on bullish support there. You are bullish. And you can clearly see what is forming here. Just like on the other one. So we're going to draw this to see if it plays out. Yeah. Now that we're looking at these. Yeah, we're about to go, y'all. Y'all, there's that y'all again. Come on, y'all. We're about to go to the moon. Yeah, Honk here looks good. All you got to do is zoom in sometimes. Continuation pattern to the upside. It's holding over the 382. Honk to the moon soon. I'm going to get left behind. I know it. Oh, my God. Oh, I need my soul order to go already. Because Honk and used car look very good right now. Adrian says turbo. Yeah, we'll go back over there in just a moment. Patrick for the 5 memberships. I appreciate that. Patrick just gifted 5 memberships, so 5 people in here are going to get a free membership. And I did just add. I can add, I think, 2 more. I don't remember. I did just add another sticker for when you comment on the chat and stuff. I added alien base to the chat, to the sticker. Don't sleep on Mog. Mog is the one I have. I think I was going to cover. Let me pull up the regular YouTube stream. But yeah, we'll go look at Mog. I was trying to type in YouTube and I typed Mog. Hopefully BTC is still over 73K. But yeah, I appreciate that for the gifted memberships again. We got over 50 members now. Now you guys just need to spread the word. I need every one of my 8,000 subscribers to be a member, and then I'll make it. Wouldn't that be nice? I'm trying to go over and look at the live stream. Because it looks different from where I am now on StreamYard. I can't see the stickers and stuff you guys are putting up. The super stickers or the member stickers. They don't show up here on StreamYard. It's just gibberish. Okay, yeah. Because I see Patrick did the alien base one. There you go. Alien base to the moon. All right, now I can see that it was a bull. Yeah, it looks so different over here. It looks a lot better on YouTube instead of StreamYard. I don't know why they can't make it look exactly the same. But yeah, everyone hit the like button. BTC's going to the moon today. We're all going to be rich tomorrow. So pack your bags, be ready to go. Honk to the moon. Used cars about to go to the moon. Any others on deck screener here? Mog. He said Mog. I hope so, Patrick. What's up, Farmer? How you doing? OG says Velodrome. And you're asking, you want to turn your turbo profits into Velodrome? Velodrome is a diamond. We're bullish on Velodrome. It's in a good spot right now. We'll look at it. I'll go back over there, I guess. Let's look at, what did he say? Mog. I don't know if we've looked at Mog. Mog is the one with the glasses, right? Mog to the moon. Let's see. Let's go. Oh no, my computer's freezing. Oh yeah, Mog here. Yeah, this one. 789 million market cap. Jeez, 36,000 holders. Yeah, we looked at this. Chart looks extremely bullish. I remember this because it formed the ascending triangle pattern here, like we've seen a lot. And the price went to the moon. This is what Bonk is in right now. I mentioned this many times. This is Bonk on the weekly chart. Bonk's about to do the same move where it's going to go to the moon. But this one looks good. It's still bullish, higher highs. It made a slightly higher or lower high here, so a little bit concerning. But overall, the overall chart looks amazing here. So we'll just keep it that easy, that simple. 3-day candles here. Is this thing going to continue to run? Mog, we'll go from the low to the high. Sitting right on the 236. So as long as you're above 5017, if you can see that 5017, this thing's still bullish, and it is starting to push back up. Which, let me adjust this just a little bit, not completely accurate. So still 5017, and then the price to beat is of course the previous high here. But then once you break through this 50229, if that is correct. Yeah, this 50229, it's going to start going to the moon again. But potential double top with a lower high could be in play here, especially if you zoom out. I would keep it simple, though. The fact that it's holding here, it really needs to hold over that 1.7 level. You're at 2.0 at the moment. Any lower than that 1.7, then it's probably topped out with a double top, and it's going to come down way lower to a lower retracement level here. So those are your prices to watch on Mog. And then where is it going to end up? The only thing I could really do with that is just go from the previous or the high here to the low. And then the next stop up for the next high would be the 1272 at 5035 on Mog here. And if it can stay bullish over that level and break through, next potential spike up is going to take you up 76% to that level. So Mog doesn't look too bad. I mean, it does, but then it doesn't. You know what I mean? Bitcoin's at 73,294. Yep, Bonk chart does look. Oh, it's crazy. More gains to get. Yeah, Bonk looks good. Low volume though on Mog. Should that matter? What is ETHFI? Flipcoin says Billy. Okay, we'll do Billy. Let me look at ETHFI. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's on here or not. It's probably not. It doesn't sound like a meme coin. ETHFI governance token. Is this what I'm looking for? I think you had me look at this already. Or was it the one on base? It just seems familiar. There was an Arbitrum one. We looked at something on Arbitrum. Yeah, you got to be more clear. I'm going to go look at Billy while you gather your thoughts. ETH-Fi on what? Billy, we're gonna look at Billy real quick. I thank you, Patrick. Patrick for 3 says turbo for Adrian, please. Patrick's such a nice guy here. Patrick for 3, Patrick for the win. Yeah, we're gonna go look at turbo. I gotcha. Arrow and Velodrome, yeah. He wants to know if he can roll his turbo profits into Velo. Let's cover Billy real quick here for flip coins. Billy, yeah, Billy's still holding up in our pattern thing here. I don't know what this is, but oh yeah, it's the downtrend and the uptrend that we have in play. High to the low, you're over the 236 here at 2.9. You're currently at 3.2. So short term, you're bullish, or not bullish. The bottom is in. And what I mentioned last time is Billy here is getting squeezed from the downtrend and the uptrend here. So in my opinion, the price is about to pop to the upside here. That's what it looks like to me. As long as you hold over this price here, 2.9, then this thing's going to break over the 382 at 4.3. Once you get over 4.3, then it's going to have a nice run to the upside here. But yeah, Billy looks good. Another one that looks like it's about to blow. What was that movie? He looks like he's about to blow. He can't take it anymore. Damn, what was that? Maybe we should call these apexes of these squeezed charts the dude off of that movie. Damn, someone help me out. What was that movie? But yeah, hopefully that helped on Billy flip coins. Billy's about to pop off. Yeah, thank you again, Patrick, for that. Do your own research. It's a hitter so close. What happens next? What's up, Jesus? What did he say? If you want a good play, that hasn't taken off yet. Borg. Borg. Like the Star Trek Borg. What's up, Jat B? Yeah, we looked at Aventus earlier. If I have time, I'll go over it again. But we got to get over here and look at... We got to go save Adrian. Flip coins for $5 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. Appreciate you being here all the time. He says, yeah, I heard of that movie. Just can't remember. It's an old... Yeah, it's an old movie. I can't... It's on the top of my brain right now, but I can't think of it. It's where the kids go into the burning church or something. Oh, hold on. And then the one gets burned. The Karate Kid dude gets burned and he dies, and then the other kid starts going crazy. And he gets shot at the end. Hopefully I'm not ruining the movie. What is it called? And the boy runs in the house to tell all the friends and his brother that he's losing his mind. He can't take it. He's about to blow. He's about to blow. Damn, I can't. Oh, yeah, the Outsiders. Thanks, Jesus. Outsiders to the moon. What was his name? We're going to start calling these squeezes his name. Oh, yeah, now I remember there was Pony Boy. Pony Boy, stay golden. Stay golden. Bitcoin's pushing still. Let's go. Let's go save Adrian first. Turbo. Turbo is still sitting up here. It still looks good. But if you made a lot of money on Turbo, you know, you can do what you want to do with your money. Can't tell you what to do. But Turbo is still holding up over that level we finally got over. It simply blew through it. The gap here needed to be filled, so the price pulled back. I'm going to get this off. This is that previous high that we blew through. So we're sitting over that next fib level here, the 1272. We finally hit that new high out of the bull flag. This is exactly what I'm looking for BTC to do. BTC's right in here. So we're about to pop off here. Or we're about to blow. We're about to pull a Pony Boy or whatever it's called. But yeah, as long as you're over 8.6 here, this thing is potentially a strong move up. The pullback like this, depending on what time frame you look at, you could easily say it's a bull flag that formed. Another tiny little bull flag, and she's about to pump again. Next stop is 1.5. But it still looks bullish here. 57% move soon. And if you want to get a little more technical, we go from the low to the high. You're just below the 3 or the 2. No, you're right at the 236 here at 9.4. So you're still technically bullish here. You're right. You dip down, hold that, and you're back over this. So you're bullish over this 9.4 level to push right back up. That's all I can really say on that. And then you said you wanted to buy what? Let me go back over to the chat for a moment. Johnny Boy. Oh, Johnny was the one that died. Pony Boy was the blonde-haired kid that was his friend. That was the other boy. There was another kid. The one that drove him around. Not financial advice, but dropped on XRPL. It went from 20 cents to 11.50 in a week. Hasn't looked at it. So, damn. Dennis says when Turbolist on Coinbase is going to pass the moon. Just be careful. When it gets listed, when there's rumors of it, it'll go to the moon. But when it gets listed, it's going back down. Myro is about to break out, Jack. Louis Sekul says Izzy and Janet. Yeah, I think I missed something. Hold on. Appreciate the words. Flip coins. Let's see here. I don't remember what you said you wanted to buy and sell your turbo for. Yeah, GFI is recovering. It held that support level. XRP meme coins. You mean XR? What is XRPL? Yeah, we'll go back over to Deck Screener in a moment. We were trying to save someone. Let me go back up to his super chat. Turbo for Adrian. So hopefully that helped for Adrian. Oh yeah, Velodrome. Okay. Velodrome to the moon. So we looked at Turbo. Let's go look at Velo really quick. We looked at Aventus earlier. Someone asked again. Aventus is consolidating. Looks good here. Damn. I'm trying to think of that dude's name and I forgot what you wanted to roll your money into. Oh yeah, Velo, and then someone said Arrow. Velodrome. But yeah, we look at Velodrome all the time. Velo. So you want to put your money in Velo. If I had money right now, I would just put it in a meme coin. Meme coins are going to go up a lot sooner and faster than some of these coins. Not financial advice, of course, but we looked at some really good, really juicy looking meme coins already. But Velo, it's still holding the macro uptrend. It's right at the 0.5 level here at 8.7. So as long as you hold here, you're making higher highs now and higher lows, of course. The price still could come down here, but it's holding up right now at 8.7. And then if it holds 8.7, the next price would be 27% move up to 11, and then the 618, potentially this thing will start moving up. But if it does end up falling back down, just be aware that if you put your money in now, it could drop 20% because we do have this uptrend down here and the 382. It could come back down here and bounce off of that. And then if you're looking to just buy and hold, where is it going to go? To the moon someday? We do have some targets here. If it only comes up and makes a new high, that would be the 1272 at 46. That's going to get you a 5x, a little over a 5x on your investment. I think that's almost guaranteed on something like Velodrome here. I don't know you guys' price target for Velo. I don't know what they're saying. I know like Aerodrome, they're calling it for $20, $40. I don't know what the consensus is on Velo, but if it makes it up to the 1618, $1.98, that's where you get your 10x, really an 11x. 833 million market cap, and then if you think it's going to come all the way up here, 3.4 billion, $4, 46x. But like I said, I don't know what the target is for Velo. If you think it's going to hit $1, then that's where you're getting that 10x out of your investment. But as we've been saying, it's in a good spot here. Broke the downtrend, holding the uptrend. It's probably going to start moving up. Not as fast as a meme coin will, but like I say, just pick your poison there. We're at 73,600, really? No way. Damn, what exchange y'all guys looking at? I still got 73.3. Or did it come up here and it's pulling back already? Coinbase chart. Yeah, I don't see 73.6. You must be looking at crypto.com. Crypto.com for some reason always has higher prices. Oh, we're at 73.4. But yeah, these are all lining up. There's nothing. I don't know what you guys think. Think we're about to break out? It's almost there. 73.7 is when it needs to break, in my opinion, I guess. That's on the Binance chart, though. Charts are different. Let's see if I pull this out. Oh, I've never done that before. Let's see what we got here. Someone said... Yeah, y'all are asking for way too much stuff now. What do I think of Dogecoin? Dogecoin is going to $2. He says, don't sleep on XRPL. Oh, yeah, I already read that. Memes. Yeah, I think Dogecoin is going to $2. We went over that yesterday, but I can go back over it. DGen looking good. Yeah, DGen looks good. What's up, Matthew? Jesus says CBFX. I don't know what CBFX is, but it hit 73.6. As long as it hits over 74. If someone says it hit 74, then that's it. That's what we need to see. Myro, really quick. How's it going? $6.50. Welcome in. I don't know if you've been here before. He says Jasmy. We'll go look at Jasmy in just a moment. It's on my... No, they're both on my other chart. Damn it. Someone said Arrow. Is Arrow moving? Let me do Arrow, then Jasmy. The ones I remember, Arrow, Jasmy, and... Arrow, Jasmy, and... something. Arrow's probably still sitting in the same spot unless it had a little move. Yeah, Arrow's still sitting over the 382. It's got a nice pump in play. After it broke this downtrend, it's been moving. It's making higher highs, higher lows. That market structure, as long as we're forming this structure here, which is not perfect at the moment, I'll redraw it, but it looks good. You're over the 382 at 115. You're bullish. Next price to beat, it needs to get over the 0.5 at 139 here. So 7% move to your first resistance. If you want to get more technical, we can easily go zoom in, 12-hour candles, high, low, and then you can see it's getting stuck right at the 618. So it has to get over this 131 level on the shorter fib here, the shorter time frame. It's getting stuck at that 618. 618 is a huge price. If you get over that, that's where you have the reversal. From this move down, it confirms you're going up. So 131 it has to get over. And then, of course, Arrow. I know you guys think Arrow is going to $20, $40, wherever it's going. It may. If it does, then good for the Arrow holders. I want you guys to make money. But just for something to look at, high to the low chart here says the top of the fib, which is not the top of the price, of course, but it's just the fib. 880, 4236, about a 6.5, close to a 7x here, 5.6 billion market cap. It's your first big target to get to, in my opinion. You got to get to the top of the fib, and then we'll redraw and take it from there. And then we got to go over to the other list. Let's see here. Jasmine needs to get back over 20. Yeah, did you guys figure out the name of that dude from The Outsiders? It wasn't Ponyboy and it wasn't Johnny. They had so many names on that movie. Y'all are going to go watch that movie now when this is over. Okay, let me go to the other list. Jasmine and Dogecoin. What time is it? Yeah, we've been streaming for a while, haven't we? I'm getting off track again. Let me go ahead and get to Jasmine here. Yeah, Jasmine's still not doing anything. It's still sitting here over the 236. It's not doing anything. We're kind of waiting on Jasmine maybe to break down. Large head and shoulders pattern potentially on the weekly chart here. So it could break down. It doesn't have to. But what we're kind of just watching is it needs to just hold over our green support box here. As long as our green support box holds, then it's good. You can see that's the 382 area, the 236, the measure and move potentially. If this is a large head and shoulders pattern and it's going to break down, then we do something like this, and you can see it takes us down pretty much to the 618 area at 008. That's about a 50 to 60% drop if I remember correctly. But I don't know what's happening with Jasmine right now. As long as we're holding here, you need to get over 2.3. If it gets over 2.3, then it's not going down, and we'll be bullish on it again. That's really all we can say. It needs to get over that, but low to the high, it's still holding over the 382 at 15, so you're technically bullish. But the big question is Jasmine about to break down or not? It's not moving really. It's still sitting here. So Bitcoin's pushing and Jasmine's sitting here. Just sitting on the sidelines watching. But I am bullish on Jasmine. Jasmine, a lot of people think 30 cents, 14 billion market cap, 16x from today. My target for Jasmine here, we're on the Gate.io chart, if you're not aware, is all the way up here, 50 billion market cap, $1.09. So I'm thinking $1 on Jasmine is fair, in my opinion. I know a lot of people don't agree with that. But a 57x for Jasmine this cycle. Jasmine's going to surprise a lot of people, in my opinion. And then Dogecoin. Dogecoin's been pumping lately. Let me see what's going on in the chat. Why is it stuck on Aerodrome? Is it really? Are you kidding me? I just wasted my breath. Why is it stuck over there? Let me see if I can fix this. I don't know what's going on. So you guys misjazz me, huh? Let me remove this and put it back because I don't know what it's doing. StreamYard's... Oh, you hear my voice fine, but the chart is frozen. Yeah, let me add this back. It's always something, ain't it? All right, what do you guys see now? Do you see Dogecoin? That's why I tell you guys all the time, there needs to be like a button you guys can push and it'll like make an alarm sound for when the stream's messed up. That way it lets the person streaming know that it's messed up. That would be a good idea for YouTube to incorporate. All right, so you guys heard Jasmy, but you didn't see Jasmy. It is what it is. But for whoever was asking for Jasmy, this is the picture to match with the voice. The large head and shoulders pattern, we're holding over these levels here. As long as you hold over this, we're good. You have to break back over... What was it? Damn it. Just give me one moment just to give whoever asked a visual for the Jasmy Moon Boys. Yeah, 2-3. You have to get back over this 2-3-6, and then you're not going to break down. As long as you hold over this area, it's good. But it is lingering here that it may break down. It doesn't have to go all the way to 0.008. Maybe it only comes to a penny. But it's not doing anything. It's just sitting here. So there is a 40% drop lurking in the shadows here. But if you get over 2-3, then the shadow is going to disappear. And then 786 retracement to a 50 billion market cap. All the Jasmy holders are going to be rich. Dogecoin. He says he tried to ward me. Yeah, I don't know why it does that sometimes. We got 36 people in here. How's everyone doing that's coming in that aren't chatting? $1 Jasmy, I'll be a happy man. Maybe I'm just too bullish on Jasmy, but I think Jasmy, after all the tokens are in circulation, which I think they're almost there, it has a huge community. So why would it not do a 786 retracement in a bull market? That's my opinion. If it only goes to 30 cents, so be it. You still get a good 16, 15, 16x out of it, I guess. Now, with that being said, would I let my whole bag ride to $1? No. I'm going to take profit, or not me, but you can take profit, whoever's holding Jasmy. I don't own any Jasmy anymore, but I would take the profit out at 30 cents at the 618 retracement, and then let your initial or percentage ride to $1 and see if it hits $1. And if it hits $1, then you can come back here next year and say that I was right. All right, I don't remember what we were saying on Dogecoin last time, but Dogecoin is repeating history. This is what I went over last time. It's doing the exact same thing as it did last time on a larger scale. It moved down. It had this U-shaped recovery off of this. It dumped and it pulled back up, made a high, and then it had another U-shaped move, and now it's pumping, or it went to the moon at that point. The same thing here. High, U-shaped recovery. It dumped down. It went up to a high, and now it's doing the same U-shaped recovery again. So are we potentially right in here somewhere on Dogecoin? Maybe in here. So these are weekly, oh no, these are monthly candles. So next month we'll be bullish again. And then December, it's going to start going to the moon, like right here. And then it'll keep going for another couple of months. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe we pump in December all the way through spring, and then springtime is the top. It could be different this time. But yeah, Doge looks primed and ready. It's copying the same exact chart here. And then, like I've mentioned before, hopefully you guys can still hear me. Yeah, we're good. So, like I've mentioned before on Dogecoin, do you think after all this time, Dogecoin is just going to come up here and just do this tiny little move from where it is right now, which is right at this 17th floor level? I don't remember why we had that on the chart. That's probably based on a fib. I'll get to it in just a moment. But do you really think Dogecoin is just going to do this? Just tag that and just come back down? Or come up here and only hit $1? So right in here, and then that's it? Is that all the bull run we're going to get? Really, out of Dogecoin? That's my whole thing. Why would Dogecoin not just make a run, break through the previous high and hit the next level? 198, almost $2, 2618, 300 billion market cap, and then it could go back down and repeat itself again. And you can see that's a good solid 10x from where it is today. So yeah, I think Dogecoin's going to $2. And then I guess this is probably, I'm trying to figure out why I have that yellow line on the chart. Yellow line on the chart for no reason, I guess. Yeah, I don't know why this is here, but it's getting stuck at it, so I must have drew it for some reason. So if it looks like if you can break over 1747, then she's probably going to start pumping. But doesn't look too bad. Dogecoin looks very bullish here. If it continues with the structure here, the higher lows, higher highs, then let me draw this here again. Maybe it's headed for the 618 at 26.7. Make that higher high, and then it'll pull back and go sideways for a little bit. So it could be headed for 26.7 here. Move up another 56% move. All right, let me get back over to the chat. I feel lonely. Yeah, voice never left. Yeah, I don't know why it was stuck on there. Driving and listening. How many X's from here? You talking about Dogecoin? Silver's back. How's it going? Smash the like button. Let's go BTC to 100K. What are we at now? Oh yeah, I answered that question. A 10x. I've always said Dogecoin is good for a 10x, a guaranteed 10x. But that was back in here, where it was going to go. So it was going to hit that dollar range. That was your 10x. So if you're just getting in it now, you still got a 10x ahead of you, in my opinion. If it only goes to $1, then you're looking at about a 6x. So are you going to take a 6x dollar Dogecoin this cycle, or are you going to be a man and say you're getting $2 and you're getting a 10x out of this thing? That's the question. So what is Bitcoin at now? Yeah, we're going to go back over there and look at that for Luis, Janet, and Izzy. Let me see what Bitcoin's doing, and then I guess we'll go over there. Oh no, it's dropping back down. Come on now. Maybe tomorrow. Let me pull this over. It's a nice try, I guess. We'll see. It's just kind of doing what it's doing right now. I guess we got to go back over to Deck Screener. How long have we been streaming for? Okay, we still got some time left. All right, so looking over at... Switching back over, that is, to Deck Screener. Would you say liquidating longs? All right, you guys can see Deck Screener now. He says, Izzy for Luis every day. Izzy to the moon. Yeah, Izzy still looks the same. It's been flat here. It's doing nothing. But it overall is holding higher highs and higher lows. But if you go by the uptrend, it apparently broke the uptrend here. Depending on where you draw this at, of course, I guess there. But it's going sideways. You're over the 786 as long as you're holding 5049. Then you are holding this support level. But if you just take the uptrend away, the trend line here, and just look at the chart for what it is, it's still bullish here. It's a meme coin, so it doesn't have to respect, a trend like this, saying, oh, it broke the uptrend and now it's going to go down. I would just simply say, watch 4.9. You're at 5.4. As long as you're holding that, you have the potential to keep running here. And then once you break through that previous high, which you already did once, at 1.0, then you need to break this high here to continue running at about 1.5. But if it holds and it gets through that, the next stop on the fibs here is 2.5 and a 4.5, over a 4.5x on Izzy. What else did you ask for? Izzy and Janet. I don't think I've ever heard of Janet. I don't think we've ever looked at Janet. Janet. Is that Janet on ETH? Hi, my name is Janet. This can't be it. This thing went to 0 already. Is this your Janet, Louise? Maybe. Maybe. Okay, yes, this is. Thank you. 900K market cap. Almost 3,000 holders. So you're wondering if this thing's about to curl up and go to the moon. Well, I don't know what this is. Who's Janet? It's still holding the downtrend, I would say. Depending on where you draw it at. Downtrend is still in play. But this is what you kind of want to see. It didn't completely go to 0. What is it down? Oh, I guess it did. Damn. 97, 98% down, and it bounced. This could be a good play here. That's what you like to see when a meme coin pumps, and it retraces back down 90%. It could be a good play here. Now, where's this thing going to end up going? It's getting stuck right now at the 236 at 13, so it needs to break over 13 here. 2013 or 3009, you're right there. So if it can get over that, that will confirm that is the bottom. It's a 50% move, and then you're bullish over and you break the downtrend once you get over 2.2 here. And it looks like once you break the downtrend, you'll be over that 1.3. So when the bottom is confirmed, you may break the downtrend here. 152% move to be bullish. And if this thing continues to run, a 786 retracement's a 10x, not bad. And a new high here. Damn. 60x. 61x. Too bad this is not on Solana. All right, Louise, not a bad play. Janet here looks good for a potential gamble play. Janet to the moon here. So many good plays out there. Hopefully that helped, Louise. But yeah, it looks good. First AI on ETH, really? First AI on ETH. Oh, it came out this month. Oh yeah, we're looking at 4-hour candles. I'm looking at their Twitter. 3,000 followers. What? I don't know what this is. Driver of life, and yes, a big van. Chasing peace, love, and a good laugh. Unbothered by the noise. It's followed by your pop. Is this thing... Hey, did they get hacked? So I'm gonna go look at the Janet Twitter. Are they hacked? What is going on here? Or is this an AI? No, this is. They're saying some really thing. I can't say these things online. Go through their Twitter. They got hacked. Janet's going to 0. You may want to go check that out. What? Oh my God. Someone in the chat, go check out the Janet Twitter. They apparently got hacked and it's just going off the walls right now, saying some crazy stuff. Oh, I can't even show it on here. I can't even read it. I wonder if they know their stuff got hacked. Maybe it's not hacked. I don't know. Maybe the AI Janet is just nuts. Now I'm afraid to click on anything else. Oh, maybe it's not hacked. Okay, I'm looking at their website now. That's the purpose of it. Are you kidding me? A token inspired by AI NPC middle-aged woman that chats so much nonsense you cannot stop listening. So is this just AI spitting out garbage? Oh my God. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, you guys should go check out the Janet Twitter page. Yeah, I see it's not hacked now. It's just nuts time. Okay, so Janet might be something here. Yeah. If you want something funny to look at, I guess go look over here. Okay. Enough of that. Janet to the moon. Okay, I'm getting off of Twitter. No more. Okay, so we looked at those for Louise. 32 people in here. Everyone, please hit the like button. Oh, man. It's been 2 hours and Bitcoin still hasn't pushed through. What a world we live in. I'm trying to get this back up on the screen. Just another fake out, huh? Damn. Come on. Let me recheck. Did I get all the super chats taken care of? Yes, I did. But yeah, that's hilarious. Bitcoin dominance. What is Bitcoin dominance doing? Yeah, if we end up getting on here, yeah, the Jasmine Bitcoin pair is starting to fall. Wow, it is over 60. Ben Cohen must be celebrating right now. He's dancing in his underwear. Ben Cohen to the moon. Damn, it's going vertical right now. But that's why Bitcoin's going up. Bitcoin is bullish because the dominance is bullish. But this tells you right here, now that it's at 60, it's going up. We're almost there. This thing's about to crash back down. We're so close. But that's why we've been getting ready. Or you guys have been getting ready at least. Got your full suit, crypto moon suit on. I only have one sock on right now. I'm trying to get there. Thanks to you guys, I got one sock on and I got one sock in my hand. I still have that soul to put into something, but I don't know what to put it into. I have one Solana to put into something. I already have my position in Soul Ordi, but other than that, I'm too scared. I don't want to risk losing it. Let me go back over to the chat. Yeah, we live in crazy times, huh? What's going on with math? G7, how's it going? Math, what is math doing? Yeah, math is still holding up from the last time we looked at it. It had that huge run, just like Fox did, and it pulled back all the way down to the 382. So you're still bullish over 28. It is still coming down here. So as long as you hold 28, you're considered macro bullish. The price simply broke the downtrend, broke the uptrend, broke the downtrend, pumped and hit that trend once again, 618, all this resistance up here, and that's why it's coming back down. So as long as you can hold the 382 here, you either bounce right back up or we'll just go sideways for a little bit until Bitcoin decides to go and we decide to be bullish. But it's a good thing. It broke the downtrend, it pumped up, and it's over the 382 now. Excuse me. But yeah, hopefully you guys took some profit out. I say that, but you know, it depends on how you're holding this, because it hasn't done anything yet. Even though it pumped, it still hasn't hit these prices we want it to hit. And it also depends on where you bought in, of course. But yeah, math doesn't look bad. Where's math going to end up? No one knows, but we can kind of guess. $1.60, 786 retracement is probably going to get hit a 4.5x, and if it's a $1 billion project on Coinbase, math to the moon to a 36x, 1.4 billion to 1275. Those are your two high targets to hit. Waiting for the Fed meeting November 6th and 7th, I believe. That's when we'll see which way we are going. So there's a Fed meeting on the 6th and 7th, and then we have the election. So yeah, we'll see what happens in what is it, a week from now? Can you look at Near Protocol? Would you say Weirdo and Asana? What is that? Meme coins? Let me look. He said Near Protocol. I don't remember the last time we looked at Near. I forgot about Near. It's probably got an old chart. Yep. Haven't looked at it since last year. So this one's not going to have any market caps or anything on it. Let's fix the chart. High to the low for Near Protocol. Yeah, this thing already ran October and went to the moon. It's right at the 0.5 level here at 444. Same market structure, if you can see that there, that everything else is forming. Hits a 382, bounced, it's higher highs, higher lows. It's curling up here. So where's it going to end up? It's right at that 0.5 level. I wouldn't pick at it too much. You're at 438.8. So as long as you hold up here where these candles are holding, you're holding the uptrend, you're holding the higher lows. Next stop up, if you hold here, is going to be the 618 at 638 here, where you broke over last time, but it didn't hold. And then ultimately you have to break these highs here, which you can clearly see there are lower highs in play. So that's not good. But the fact that you're starting to curl up down here could be good. And then what we can do with that on Near, let's go high to the low, and yeah, you're 618 right here. You need to get over 594, and then it'll probably break out to the upside and break you through the 618 here, and then start moving at that point. But I guess you're probably wondering if you're in on Near. Like I said, it's already pumped since October. We've seen a lot with this same structure here. What comes to mind? A lot of the coins we cover did this already. This thing already did a 9x, 10x, wherever you bought in. And then if it's going to continue to pump, which we'll have to go to the new high, 47, because if you're just getting in on Near or you're looking for more moves, you can see 786 retracement is a 130% move. And then the previous high here potentially is a 4.5x. Maybe it comes a little bit below that. Maybe you get a 4.5x out of near. But if it's going to go to a new high, 1272, $47, 10x from today, 10.5x. 10.5x on this thing to hit $47. But it depends on the market cap. You say near is going to at least $10. Okay. I like when you guys tell me that, because I have no idea on these projects what the target is that people have. Oh yeah, I'm making sure you guys can see me. So near, let me go look at the supply really quick. Near 5 billion market cap. Okay. All the supplies in circulation. That's nice to see. All right, so we may be a little more bullish on near than we expect. So near, oh, you said $10. I'm up here at 47. Yeah, it's definitely going to hit $10. $10 is definitely on the table, I think. It's at $4 right now. So this thing has a 1.2 billion supply. All of it's in circulation. And if it hits $47, what would that be? 47 billion? 57 billion. $5 billion to $57 billion. All right, so maybe $10 is all it's going to do, huh? Because that would take you to a 57 billion market cap up here for near protocol. But I guess you could say, I guess that could happen if Jasmy's going to $1 at 50 billion, Shiba's going over 100 billion. Then near protocol 57 billion. But if you're calling for only $10, we have 1060 here for that move there. 2.5x. Okay, so you're getting a nice little move off of near. Not bad. Depends on how much money you put in it. And you get a little 2.5x on near. Not bad. You want your 10x out of near protocol. That's the way to do it. Just scream it and then it'll happen. Don't accept anything less. Can you do arc block, ABT, GA, welcome? Yeah, if you have the right amount of money, then there's easy 2x, 3x, 5x plays all over the place. That's the level I want to get to where I can just look for some 2x's, 3x's, and I'm golden. I'll stay golden like Pony Boy. Yeah, I can't remember all the things you guys are asking for. I know I'm missing stuff, so if I miss something, I apologize. We're coming up on 2 hours, ain't we? Let's see. Oh yeah, a couple more seconds. The Bitcoin's still pulling back. I will say this: if Bitcoin does break the high, I will have to get back on tonight. Got 40 people in here. There's always around 40, 45 people at the end of the stream. Why is that? Yeah, I remember your weirdo and Nosana. Degen, please. We didn't look at Degen, but I just covered it. We might have looked at it. I don't know. Arc block and let's see here. XCN to the moon. Someone said XCN, I think. XCN, arc block, XCN. We're still bullish on XCN. It's doing nothing. Perfect time to buy is now. It's down here, final support going sideways. It's starting to curl up at the bottom here. But the fact that it broke the uptrend and it's consolidating here on that final level of support at 1-1, it looks good to me. If I ever was going to buy in, now would be the time. It's only up and sideways and up from here. But I do not have the money to buy in. But this is what I'm talking about. Just a little rollover play. 382 retracement, very likely. Oh damn, what happened there? 4.5x guaranteed, pretty much. Hell, even want to get even more, 2x guaranteed, because it's definitely going to pump back up here. Just easily throw 10k in here, 20k before you know it. But yeah, XCN's a good one. 2x, 4.5x, 382 retracement. If it comes to a penny, 8.5, almost a 9x, comes to 2 pennies. Damn. So nice of a chart here for potential gains. It doesn't have to hit these higher targets. Like this here, the 1.7 billion 786 retracement, 43x on XCN. That's going to be a huge move for this thing. And then that 88 cents we've been watching, this is your moonshot. So you could throw $100 at XCN right now on the bottom and a moonshot gamble. 88 cents, 27 billion market cap, almost a 680x. Large move. You have 1 million XCN. Oh, 2 million. What's up, Shadow? How's it going? What's up, Smoking Crypto? Yeah, you're a little late. I don't know how long we're going to stay on. We're at 2 hours now, but damn, it's 3 o'clock here. I missed something. I know I did. I just was saying it. XCN and Arc Block. Oh, what am I writing it in for? ABT. Yeah, Arc Block's still holding up. Hasn't changed since the last time we looked at it. It's holding up over our 236 at 162. You're at 161. It's right at that area. You're still holding this market structure. Doesn't look too bad. Is it going to break down? I don't know. It's holding over our yellow macro support box, which we went over this so many times I don't even feel like talking about it anymore. But it's over this macro area. It used to be the resistance, double top, lower high, fell off the table, went sideways for years, came back alive. Now it's a zombie. It's up here, and now it looks bullish. It's holding this potential double bottom, higher low pattern, curling up on that support. It's at that 236 level. So low to the high, it's bullish over that level or at that level. It doesn't have to be exact. Now, if it breaks down, it breaks down. But it looks good here to me. If we were in a bear market, this is what I would tell you. This thing's coming down. It's going to zero. It pumped. But ultimately, we're in a bear market. So you're forming this continuation pattern to the downside. So expect Arc Block. It didn't bottom out yet. It's still going down a lot. But yeah, it looks good right now. CKJ 100K challenge. I don't know what that means. Yeah, someone asked for some meme coins. But yeah, we were looking at a whole bunch of meme coins. If you're just coming in here, we got 41 people now. Hit the like button. There's a lot of good plays out here right now. Said something. Hold on, I gotta check my phone in just a moment. Near, I'm heavy and near. Damn, you own everything, huh? Weirdo and No Sauna. Okay, we're gonna go see what Weirdo and No Sauna is. But you gotta tell me, are those Solana, Ethereum, Base? Solana, Ethereum, and Base. What am I doing here? Oh yeah, back to Janet. Yeah, if you guys are just coming in here, we looked at Janet coin for someone. Potentially a good play here. It's going to do a 60x for a new high. It bounced down here. It's down 97, 98%. Could be a very good play. And if you go check out their Twitter is just complete nuts. I thought they got hacked at first, but that's the way it is. It's an AI woman robot just spouting off nonsense. But you said no sauna. I want to say someone asked for that before. I think I spelled that right. Damn, stream is down. Bitcoin's going to 0. No sauna on Sol. Oh yeah, we looked at this one. All right, so no sauna, the market structure, of course, made a higher high, came all the way up almost to the 786 here. Hold on, I gotta answer my phone. All right, so looking at it high to the low, it hit the 618. That's pretty much where it's getting stuck right now. It did wick above it, but that's your big price to get over. That's why it's getting stuck here. It has to break over that for that reversal from this downtrend, confirming you're going up. So it needs to get and stay over 351. You're at 354 at the moment, so you're trying to hold here, but that doesn't look the greatest on that wick. It looks like it's going to come back down, but I wouldn't be too concerned with it. If it does end up coming back down, it's going to come back down to the 0.5 and you're going to drop 22%. 293 million market cap, 44,000 holders. But yeah, initial breakout broke the downtrend. It'll probably pull back a little bit. We've seen this on used car, honk, and many others. It's healthy, because if it goes straight up, as someone said earlier, one giant God candle, then it's going to come straight back down. So if you want this thing to come up to this new high, you need this pullback, and then it'll pump up again, pull back, and then pump up, and then it may go higher than that. But where it is right now, new high $15 is going to give you a 4x. And then you said weirdo. Let me check to see if we're still on here. Caspa's getting destroyed. You might not have heard of him, but Bullzilla123 calls out 100K challenges, 100K coin count for $100. And back in 2019, he called Matic, One, Solana, Tech, Telsi, I don't know what that is, Shiba, and many others that hit. No, I haven't heard of him. 100K challenges. Okay. I might have to look into that. We're looking at Weirdo. GA says DIA, please. We're 2 hours in, and I can tell because my voice is starting to diminish. My voice is starting to turn bearish here. 2 hours of straight talking. I didn't used to talk this much. My brain's fried because I don't know where I'm looking for. Oh yeah, we're looking for Weirdo. Weirdo. Weirdo on base, I assume. Maybe it's Weirdo on Wormhole and Solana. Confirm, is this the right Weirdo? If it is, it already broke the downtrend. You can clearly see that. We'll just go over the levels. Yeah, is this weirdo on here, or you're looking for weirdo on the Solana wormhole? He called ZBC in about a month ago. It's still 100K for 107. I'll have to go look into that because I'm not too sure what you're talking about, but I get it. I'll have to go see. He has videos on all this. I'm still here. I'm checking my phone. What is Bitcoin at now? Are we moving, or is it time to end the stream? It's time to everybody go back to bed. It's right there too, and it just couldn't push through. So if this is the real one, or the right one, hopefully. Yeah, the downtrend was broken, hit the 382, back tested, it pumped up, couldn't hold the 0.5, and it's coming back down. It's down below. So as long as you're below 4.5, you're no longer bullish, and the price to hold to continue holding and confirming this is the bottom is 3.1 here. You're right at the 382, so you may end up holding it. You're at 4.6 at the moment. 4.5 is the 382. So if you can hold over 4.5, then you're good. If not, you're going to drop 30%. But if it holds and you're in on this and it goes to a new high on Weirdo, 9x. Yep. What is Bitcoin doing? Damn, I just need my Soul Ordi to do something. Yeah, we're back down to pretty much 72K almost. It was a good try, but it's not going to happen today, I guess. Man. Got us all excited for nothing. Yeah, you're right, Patrick. No cigar. What is the big hitters doing? Did GOAT ever go back up? This is what I'm looking for. Where look at this right here. Where can I find this to where it's going to do that? GOAT went to the moon, made a bunch of people rich. So is Moodinge to play? Moodang, I think they call it. I've been saying it wrong this whole time. Moodang. Moodang on Solana for the win. This thing's destroying the earth. Oh, damn, it already left. Damn, that's what I was looking for, that pullback. Oh, yeah, I left a couple days ago. Oh, man, this thing's gearing up to go again. Moodang, it's at 207 million. So is this thing headed for $1 billion market cap? Moodang's headed for $1 billion market cap, everyone. Pile in. Not financial advice. So it's at a 208 million market cap. All right, if it goes to $1 billion, it's not that bad. It's only a 4.5x, almost a 5x. Yeah, we missed the huge run on this one. All right, but yeah, the reason I say it's gearing up again, you can see it on the chart. Downtrend, broke the downtrend and just blasted out of here again. This thing came down from that high. Sweet spot, 80%. Got a little bounce here. That was the time to buy. Of course, you wouldn't know that, but it was down 80%. But right now, it just sucks to look at these random NPCs out there getting rich, and I'm just sitting here on my computer rotting away. But yeah, look, a continuation pattern here. This thing's about to go back up. I don't know. This thing's about to 2.5x. What do you guys think? It's over the 618. It's holding. Once it breaks over 2.3, it's at 2.1. It's going to spike up again. Damn, maybe I should put that Solana into Moodang here. 2.5 exit real quick. Oh, man. Hit 73,607 on Coinbase. What's up, Kelsey? Yeah, you've been here already. Uncle. Mocha Network will do what Goat AI is doing. Mocha Network. What do you think about the Moodang here? Moodang looks like it's about to 2x. Yeah, this thing's about to go again. What is this, daily candles? Just like it did 5 days ago. Moodang's about to go. He said Mocha Network, would you say? Mocha Network. I'd imagine that's on Solana. Or is that something else? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what that is. You'll be up all night a lot, but I hit at night. Yeah, I don't have that much time. But yeah, what is Mocha Network? I don't know what that's on. We still got 39 people in here. Over 2 hours. Did we look at Near? Yeah, we looked at Near Protocol. But it's, what time is it? Yeah, damn. It's 3:20 here, so it's about that time. I'm going to have to go get kids in 10 minutes. But like I said, if Bitcoin tries to push up again, I'll try to stream again later. That's not a guarantee. I think it was a great stream again. All you guys coming in here, looking at things. But yeah, someone give me their opinion on Moodinge here. I don't want to lose that Solana that was gifted to me. I have to play it smart because it's all I have. You guys think Moodinge is about to go again? I think so. Yeah, you could say double top with a lower high here, but it's a meme coin. And on the smaller time frames here, it is above the 618 and it has this pattern formed. That's bullish. That tells you it's about to continue to go up. Moo dang to the moon. I just need one play like this so I can double the Solana, and then I can put, that profit into another coin. Or both. I'll take it all out of Moondang once it 2x's, and then I gotta do 2 plays. Moondang and Moo gonna rocket. They monopolize the hippos in the bull meme space. Did we look at Moo? Remember someone had me look at some kind of something, or it was a Chinese something. Last night we looked at a Chinese hippo or a Chinese something, I don't remember. Oh, Moo the bull, I remember this one. Moo, 129 million market cap. What am I trying to do here? Oh, this thing's going already. It's been going. This is a very bullish chart, by the way. When it's going to run, it's just going to start going vertical here. 129 million market cap, 65,000 holders, got a lot of zeros. Yeah, I've checked this one before, I believe, on SoulScan, on the rug checker, I mean. Which the rug checker really doesn't tell you too much. It'll say something's good sometimes, and it'll still be a rug pull, so it's not foolproof. Moo. There's really nothing I can do with the Moo chart here to tell me anything. It's just one of those charts that looks like it's gearing up to go. Yeah, especially if you zoom out to the weekly. I've seen this so many times. It's about to just go straight up in a minute. Or not in a minute, but you get the idea. Moo and Moodinge, 2 potential gamble plays. You caught the pump on Moo. Yeah, see, all you guys are making money and I'm just sitting here. Oh yeah, he said DIA. Yeah, the chart does look extremely bullish. It's probably going to go before I get in, or if I decide to get in. All right, I'm going to have to look at those off. I'm going to have to get off here in a moment. I'll go run through DIA really quick. But I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Another good live stream, in my opinion. We learn a lot, and we look at a lot of things. And sometimes we laugh. Let's see here. DIA. What is DIA up to? I'll probably try to make some more updates on the day, get some updates out, because I need to start pumping more out for the channel for you guys to watch. I know we're not covering things as much as we used to. Ever since I've been working again, it went from 10 to 12 to 15 videos a day to 3 or 4 now. But we are doing live streams now. DIA to the moon. What is DIA doing? All right, so the last time we looked at DIA, it's back down below the 0.5. Just keep it simple, low to the high. As long as you're above 90, you're still bullish to push back up. But you're below the 0.5 at 110. There's a good chance it's going to come all the way down to the double 382. That's where the green box is. And as long as you hold over 7.4, maybe it wicks down to 7.1. But as long as you hold that, you're still bullish, macro-wise and short-term-wise. But right now it is over 90. So as long as you're over 90, you're still bullish. So it could drop 23 to 28% and still be bullish for a push right back up. But if you hold over 90, 110 is the price to beat. And then, of course, 163 is a big price to get over. And then where's it going to end up? DIA, 786 retracement, 314 million market cap, about 285 for about a 3x. And then if it blows through that, $14 up here, 1.5 billion market cap, and a 14.5x on DIA. But yeah, DIA is a good one, a good play here. It's curling up, higher highs and higher lows. At some point it's going to hold and have another spike to the upside. We was going to do what other chart did, what that other chart did. You talking about Moodinge or the goat? I have had a regular. You have had a job, or you haven't had a job? Yeah, Bitcoin is just doing what it's been doing, Shaw. ACH about to drop. Yeah, it goes up, gets everyone excited, and then it just comes right back down. He says he wants a farm. You can have my farm. Just kidding. I don't have a farm, but it seems like a farm. Kids running all over the place, people everywhere, in-laws all the way here all the time, crowded, dogs. No cats, but I do have chickens. Chickens all over the back porch, running all over the yard. Just give me my money and let me go. What do you do? Just trade all the time? You haven't had a job? That's my dream. I want to be this YouTube thing, the channel, get it going, invest in some good meme coins and some other coins, make enough money to where I can just do this for full time. That way we're sitting here again in the bear market, looking at whatever we're going to look at that point. Maybe in the bear market we'll be shorting and stuff. Maybe at that point I'll have enough money to where we can look at things and short a bunch of different things that we know are going down. Because when we know the bear market is in play, we know everything's going down 80-90%. So we're going to look at patterns, continuation patterns, and we're just going to short the shit out of everything. Yeah, I'm losing time again. It's 3:30 now. I have to get going. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Another good live stream. I appreciate the super chats from whoever they came from. Patrick, of course, Joel, Flip Coins, and I think that was it. But yeah, I appreciate it a lot. You're helping me grow, supporting me. It's much appreciated. But yeah, for all you guys that came in late, you're just gonna have to rewatch, I guess. I'll get some more updates out today. I did about 4 already this morning. And like I said, if Bitcoin decides it's going to pump back up and maybe break through, I will have to get back on no matter what is going on. But with all that being said, I appreciate you all. Good luck in everything you do. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.